Good morning student, welcome back to another video. Here is the chapter 2 of geography, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. So in this chapter we will understand about land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. The first is land. Do you know 90% of the world population occupies only 30% of land area. The remaining 70% of the land is either separately populated or uninhabited. First, land. Land is among the most important natural resources. It covers only about 30% of the total area of the earth's surface, and all part of the small percentage are not habitable. The uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is mainly due to varied characteristics of land and climate. The rugged topography, the steep slopes of the mountain, low-lying areas susceptible to water, logging, desert area, thick forest area are normally sparsely populated or uninhabited. Plains and river valley offers suitable land for agriculture, hence these are the densely populated areas of the world. The next is land used. Land is used for different purpose. Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads and setting up the industry. Remember what kind of uses of land. Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads and setting up the industry. This commonly termed as land use. Can you list out the different ways in which Mumbaz and Peter's family use their land? Here is the story of Mumbaz and Peter. So don't want to understand. Okay. Now can you see the table number 2.1, land used in selected country. So here is the data of country, cropland, pasture land, forest and other use. So you want to make the table and send them in the group. Okay, land used in selected country, and mention the term land used in selected country and make the table and draw the all country's name, cropland, pasture, forest and other use and send them in the group. Okay, now we will understand land can also be classified on the basis of ownership as private land and community land. Land can be also classified on the basis of ownership as private land and community land. Private land is owned by individuals, whereas community land is owned by the community for common use like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts and medicinal herbs. This community land are also called common property resource. What is common property resource? Whereas collection of fodder, fruits, nuts and medicinal herb, these community land are also called common property resource. People and their demand are ever growing, but our availability of land is limited. People and their demand are ever growing, but the availability of land is limited. The quality of land also differ from place to place. The quality of land is also differ from place to place. In some areas the quality of land will be different, in some area the quality of land will be different and different color, different fertility. I hope you understand. Okay, and people start encroaching the common land to building up commercial areas, housing complex, urban areas, and to expand the agricultural land in the rural area. Today the vast changes in the land use pattern also reflect the cultural changes in society. Land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, desertification are the major threat of the environment because of the expansion of agriculture and construction activity. For the better understanding, you see the figure 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, in next video we will understand the conservation of land resources I hope you understand. Okay, if you have any doubt, message me in the comment box or in my YouTube channel. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.